A long time ago, in a world full of wisdom and big dreams, there was a young student named Yen Hui. He was full of energy, like a fresh spring breeze. One day, he ran to his teacher, the wise old Confucius, and said with excitement, "Master, I'm going to Wei. The prince there is wild, like a storm, and his people are suffering, like plants stuck in muddy water. You told me we should help places in trouble, so I'm going to use everything you taught me to fix things." But Confucius looked worried, like a parent seeing their child run toward danger. He raised his hand gently and said, "Yen Hui, slow down. You're heading toward trouble. The Wei, or Tao, isn't something you can grab and use like a tool. It's something that grows inside you, quiet and real. If you try too hard to be smart or good, you might cause fights or make people chase fame, and that hurts everyone." He leaned in, his eyes shining with old stories. "Listen, Yen Hui. Long ago, proud kings hurt honest people to protect their pride. Big emperors started wars that broke lives apart. Pushing too hard makes things messy." Yen Hui's heart was still beating fast. He thought for a second and said, "What if I'm serious and calm? Or full of energy to make things better? Or maybe I act humble, but stay strong inside?" Confucius shook his head, a small smile on his face. "Those are just tricks, Yen Hui. They're not real. The Tao doesn't hide behind fake faces." "Then what should I do, Master?" Yen Hui asked, his voice quieter now. Confucius looked far away, like he could see the wind itself. "Clear your heart, young one. Stop planning and wanting things. Don't just listen with your ears, listen with your heart. Be open, like a window letting the breeze blow through. That's where the Tao lives. When you meet the prince, don't try to impress him. Be happy if he listens, and okay if he doesn't. Be like the wind, moving free without a plan. That's how you stay safe and maybe help a little." Yen Hui stood there, feeling his need to control everything slip away, like sand falling through his fingers. A peaceful feeling filled his heart, like the Tao was speaking to him. What it means for us. We all rush to fix things, our jobs, our relationships, or the world, thinking we have to do something big. But the Tao says to find peace inside first and let go of trying to force things. Be thankful for what you have and kind to others who are struggling, and trust life to work out. Try this today. Let go of one thing you're trying too hard to control. Feel the calm it brings. Tell me, what will you let go of this week?